Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to search eBay by item numbers. Now, if you're new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling on eBay for 23 years. And I'm also the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home. So let's launch straight into it. First of all, let me show you the two places you can find the eBay item numbers for any eBay listing. For this demonstration, I'll go to the eBay homepage, which you do by clicking on the eBay logo on any page on eBay, and I'll click on this TV. Now scroll down and about a third of the way down the page on the right you'll see the 12-digit eBay item number. Now also note that the eBay item number also shows within the URL at the top in your browser. 9 times out of 10 when I need the eBay item number, I'll just copy it out of the URL. Now if you want to search for an item on eBay using the eBay item number, just go to any page on eBay and paste the eBay item number into the search box. And then click the blue search button. And now eBay will show you that listing. That's how to search eBay by item number. If you also want to see the eBay best-selling items, check out this video up here. That's all for this week. Please leave me a comment below, and while you're there, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the No Fluff channel that teaches how anyone can make a full-time living from their home using eBay and Amazon and using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, listen more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.